Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to make the giveaway slime, and during making the giveaway slime I'll be answering some of the questions that you guys wanted to know about the giveaway, and I'll talk about more giveaway stuff. Alright, so the giveaway does end tomorrow, so please enter as soon as possible. I'll be saying it at around 6-ish Eastern time. But all you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel, my brother's channel, my uncle's channel. I'll have my uncle's channel, my brother's channel in the description down below. And then there's two more things you have to do is like this video and comment that you want the slime, and then you'll get entered. But anyways, so this is a what? It's gonna be a really pretty, not metallic. What am I saying? Purple foam bead slime. I have the foam beads right here. So, anyways, let's get started. Alright, so, I'm gonna say some questions that y'all have asked. This one is from Alyssa Moretta, and the question was, how many slimes are you giving away? I'm giving away only one slime, and that's because I do have a pretty small channel. I just decided to do this because I appreciate you guys so much for getting me to 23 subscribers. I know it's little, but I don't know, it's just like so happy for me. And I only had my channel for 4 weeks, which is about a month. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it with all my heart. I'm so happy that you guys are here to support me in all shape and form. I wouldn't be able to have a YouTube channel and have a really nice YouTube channel so you guys can watch without you. So I appreciate it so much. I bet you every YouTuber says this, but literally, they really mean it. It's amazing. Anyways, here's the glue. I don't eat, obviously. I don't add the foam beads exactly like at the end. I add it actually. That was a lot of purple. Alright. This is a kind of dark purple. I'm excited. I really don't know who's gonna win because I have this thing that will be randomizing. But whatever your YouTube name is basically what. So really pretty. All right. All right. Add some baking soda. Hold up for a second. Gonna make sure you guys can see this, because I don't want you guys just like not being able to see this. It's really pretty. Hold up, I need to show you guys. Like that, it's pretty. Oh, I'll also be giving a tiny little bag with some activator, because just in case it gets sticky and you can't buy activator for the slime. I am using a pencil because I don't have anything else. I know that you guys weren't able to pick what color you want, but I'm good. Oh god. Oh, you guys saw that. I will have a lot more future giveaways, so make sure you guys are subscribed so y'all will see when I'll have another giveaway, because it's pretty soon that I'll get another giveaway. When I reach a milestone that I'm happy for, I'll do giveaways. So I don't just do random giveaways. a lot of my friends were like, "Are you gonna do like iPad giveaways?" When I get monetized, y'all, I will end up giving away a few expensive things. Okay, that was really weird. Anyways, okay, I'm going to activate this, and then I'll be back because I don't want this video being so long. It looks kind of. Okay, whoa, hold up. I added some white because it was a little bit like I wanted a light lavender type purple. It looks a little bit too light on camera, but actually in real life it's very nice. It's a little sticky. I just need to knead it a little bit. If it is a little bit too hard, I'll have care instructions for the person. Whoever it is probably knows how slime is. If you don't, then welcome to the slime. I'm trying to make it not really like sticky, because if I make it too hard or too sticky, I don't want it. I don't want it too hard, basically. Because if I get it too hard, then it won't turn out very good. Oh, sorry, y'all didn't see it. Anyways, another question was, what color is it? Okay, yeah. It's purple with the foam bead sign. Say what kind was it? It's purple with foam bead sign. This person, whoever gets it is gonna be really lucky. I'm not holding back who's gonna win. Like, it could be one of my friends. I don't know. It's one of my friends then. Oh, lucky you. But I will have much more giveaways. So, what else should I give away, y'all? Comment down below what else I should give away and what else videos I should make. Now, it does have to be PG because this is a PG craft channel. This is for all ages because I don't want little kids going crazy because there's a lot of people who don't do inappropriate videos and poor children can't watch them. So, even though they may be fun to watch, can't watch them. They probably do. But, oh well. Can't help it anymore. This is pretty cool. Hold up. Put it close to the microphone. What does it sound like? I don't know if that's like good sounding or bad sounding. If it gets hard, just soak it in warm water. There's many ways how you can fix it. If I don't get you the carrot sheet, then just go on YouTube and figure out. If you want, actually, you know what? I'll make a video how to fix hard slimes. They're kind of breaking right now, but it'll get better. Hold up. It actually is still sticky. Hold up. Oh, hold up. There's someone with a flashlight. Hold up. Give me a second. Alrighty. Sorry, that was just my dad. He was checking out a rabbits outside. That was scary. Oh, that guy. The flashlight. Anyways, this is a really good slime. You probably will love this slime. I actually have this slime. It's hard now. I can get it out just to show you guys. Oh god. Hold up, I'm gonna put this slime right here. Okay. God. God. Oh, look. The slime separated from the bottom. Actually, this part is actually, the slime is actually pretty good. So if you guys don't like the foam beads, it's actually hard now, but kind of soft. If you guys don't like the foam beads, you can like let it just sit for a while. It is clear. Are those cool sounds? Okay, I don't know if that's satisfying. I'm just gonna stop just in case. Alright. Alrighty. So now we're just going to package this slime in this little container. Guess, guys, it like fits perfectly. I didn't even measure it. It like, twist it down. There you go. It like fits like. Look how cool that is. Alright. It does have a blue lid. I am giving away my container unless you wanna send it back or something. No. Yeah. There is the slime. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this 11-minute long video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me, making these slimes. Sorry for shaking the camera. But it was a pleasure having you guys on my channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the giveaway. Hope you're excited.